Hi, my name is Victoria. I am Dr. Kaga's esthetician. Today we have here Sierra. She's going on her maintenance for her acne journey. We're going to start off today by dermaplaning, and that is going to help exfoliate the skin and get rid of any vellus hairs that are left behind. And then followed up with dermal infusion, which is going to extract, infuse, and exfoliate the skin. And then we are going to do some laser genesis, which is going to help rejuvenate the skin cells and promote healing and cell turnover.